thought I'd just take a quick video of this welding job that I'm doing on a Ford Transit Connect. It's a Tornio, which is the sort of people carrier version of the Connect van. These things rot like anything. You can see on the floor down here just how much rust has come out of the thing. And then the panel that I've cut away, that's the inner part of it. You can see how horrifically rotten that has become. Now, if I come down here, we can see what I've had to cut out. Nearly ready to start putting things back together. As you can see, there's some serious structural rot on that part of the inner sill there, so I think I might have to do something with that. I don't know, perhaps give it a good old grind down and make sure it isn't too rotten, and then make a repair to that bottom section that's rotten out. This thing is fairly well destroyed. So we cut a huge hole out of it. You can see that the lip from the inner sill that you'd normally weld the outer sill to is completely gone as well, so we need to recreate that in order to put the thing back together. So I shall come back when I've got a little bit more done on this. Okay, coming back to this welding repair, I have, where we had this really rather rotten piece of metal, I've cleaned it up as best I can for now, and you can see that the metal is actually pretty solid. It was mainly quite heavy surface corrosion. I've also welded in a repair section where that bottom part of it was missing, so therefore we've regained the structural integrity of the vehicle. Below that I have welded in a we were missing this lower lip that the actual outer sill welds to completely. It had fallen off, rotten with everything else, so I've welded in a piece of angle iron and welded in at the front as well, and then that will also be tied into the inner sill at the back, rather than creating another, get the lighting right, rather than creating another panel to go across to the angle line. All I'm going to do is flatten it, as I've done in this section here, flatten it to the piece of angle iron, weld it down, and then that becomes the inner sill section. Once that's done, I can fold up an outer sill out of a bit of sheet, weld her up, and that'll be the end of the repair. So yeah, essentially you can see there that it's coming into shape. It's no longer just a rotten hole, it's actually becoming a repair. Right, I am finished. This is the, oh, get me light out of the way. This is the finished article. Let's get out, all welded up. Of course, all the welds need cleaning up, and yeah, we'll need a fill and a paint. But essentially, that's the panel, all solidly welded all the way up. It gets a bit messy this end because it was welding to the original stuff, which is just a tad rusty. It's all solidly welded in all the way down, and yeah, created a nice solid new sill section. So yeah, good job, well done. Got to do the next side tomorrow. Yay!